2025, 2026, 2027. These 3 years will create more new job opportunities than we've seen in decades. While many people fear AI will replace human work, the real story is the opposite, and it's far more exciting. Every major technological shift in history has followed the same pattern. Some jobs disappear, but more, better jobs emerge. Artificial intelligence is no exception. What most people are missing is this: AI doesn't replace humanity. It amplifies it. Here's the pattern forming right now. First, AI is excellent at processing information, but humans are irreplaceable when it comes to meaning. Machines can analyze data, but humans provide context, judgment, empathy, and wisdom. That gap is becoming more valuable, not less. Second, as AI takes over repetitive and routine tasks, humans are freed to focus on higher-level work, creativity, strategy, problem-solving, and relationship building. Third, the more automated the world becomes, the more valuable authentic human connection becomes. This creates a powerful paradox. Automation increases the demand for humanity. So what kinds of jobs are growing? One major category is AI collaboration roles. These are not people who compete with AI, they work alongside it. Professionals who know how to combine human intuition with machine intelligence will dominate fields like healthcare, education, business, and research. Another fast-growing area is human experience design. As systems become automated, people crave experiences that feel personal, meaningful, and human. This includes designers, service professionals, community builders, and creators who focus on emotional impact. We're also seeing rising demand for ethical and human-centered technology roles. As AI systems influence decisions, society needs people who can guide how technology aligns with human values, fairness, and well-being. Looking ahead, each year brings a different shift. 2025 is about human-AI partnership. People who learn how to work with AI tools will dramatically outperform those who avoid them. 2026 sparks a creativity renaissance. As machines handle analysis, humans focus on storytelling, design, culture, and innovation. AI can generate content, but humans create meaning. 2027 marks the rise of the human connection economy. Coaches, mentors, educators, wellness experts, and community leaders become increasingly valuable as people seek clarity, purpose, and connection in a fast-changing world. So, what skills matter most? Emotional intelligence, creative problem-solving, ethical judgment, cultural awareness, systems thinking. These are deeply human abilities, and they cannot be automated. Here's the real insight. AI isn't taking jobs away from humans, it's giving us permission to stop acting like machines. For the first time in history, technology allows humans to fully lean into what makes us human, to create, connect, care, and innovate. The future of work isn't about competing with AI. It's about becoming more human than ever before. Those who embrace both technology and humanity won't just survive the transition, they'll thrive.